Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to use the aggregation function of DataChamp. To generate a report that calculates the average order value per country, start by clicking on the New Report button and selecting Orders as the report type. Next, choose the data fields you want to include. For this example, select Shipping Address, Country, and Total Price. To keep the report clean, remove any unnecessary columns so that only these two remain. Rename the fields to match the aggregations we will set in the next steps. Change shipping address, country to country, and total price to average order value. Then, activate the aggregate checkbox on the left side of the interface to switch to aggregation mode. Now, drag and drop country into the Group by Rows section. Then drag average order value into the Metrics section. Choose how the metric should be calculated and select Average to get the average order value per country. To organize the results, click Sort By and select Average Order Value. To see the highest value at the top, choose Desk. Then, click the Preview button to check if everything looks correct. If the results are as expected, give the report a clear name, such as Average Order Value, save it, and run it to generate the final results. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.